As I was browsing PBS Learning, I wanted to find a lesson that will help my students learn the orders of operation for algebra. So I came across this one. It's a very engaging activity or song that my students can actually learn the beep, and hopefully they can remember how to apply this when they're doing their orders of operation in math.
First is parentheses, then it's exponents. Multiply, divide, add, subtract. Yeah, you know when I evaluate expressions, I have some patience. I just follow the order of operations. I simplify to see what they equal. Pim comes first, and dash is the sequel. Pim dash, yeah, that's an acronym. We'll break it down just to see what is happening. P is parentheses, search for them first. Whatever is inside them, you need to do the work. E is exponents, so raise them up. Or get down with the roots like Questlove does. MD, multiplication and division. I do them left to right, yes, that's my decision. AS, addition and subtraction. You learn them first, do it last, that is the fashion. Some say please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, some say pin dash. Either way the order is important, just like swing class.
The song is on repeat for a few times, and then after several times, they hope that the students will have already remembered the orders of operation. Then it goes and gives the student a problem.
Hey, let's say that we've got this. Let's use pin dash, see what we accomplish. First we do what we see in the parentheses. 17 minus 15, that is 2 indeed. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Yes, I'm brilliant. Now, exponents is what we'll be dealing with. 4 to the second means 4 times 4. That equals 16. And yes, I am sure. Next we multiply and we divide. 16 times 2 is 32. Oh my. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then we add or subtract, okay? 8 minus 5 is 3, which is easier than writing this to me. Cut through your operations just like a surgeon.
The video did a very thorough job on the order of operation. It's engaging. The students is able to complete one problem with the video and check their answers. I am disappointed because this video does not include any form of assessments. So that means I would have to create my own assessment for my students, but that's okay. I can do more problems for guided practice before I give them an assessment. Overall, this is an okay video. Thank you for watching.